Okay, so real quick, here's my trade recap from this morning. So you can see that we had the gap fill box here in purple below, and overnight we dipped into it and then we found some bullish consolidation here. We moved up to my level, we rejected it, touched VWAP, broke above it, and then what did we do? We failed it. Let me get a zoom in here a little bit more. So what we did is we broke above the level, okay? We came down and we failed it. We retested the level right here, and this is where I went short in the 583 puts. Now the question is why did I go into the 583? Because I was looking for a push back down here to the top of the gap fill box. Now clearly I didn't get that. So then what happens after? We push up to it again. We did another fail at the level, back down to VWAP, and now we are consolidating higher. So now this is going to be bullish to go back to this 586 level. So what we used it here as resistance, they are now using it as support. So we'll want to watch 585, 27, 28, this level hold to go through 586. If you get above 586, retest, then I think we go higher. Now, mind you, you'll want to watch QQQ for a potential reject here at 500. So this is showing strength. This will then also have strength up to 500. So if I was going to look to play calls, the 500 call in QQQ right now is about $81. The 586 call in SPY is $109. So this is showing you a bigger bang for your buck, but look how we're retesting the level here, and then we'll want to see, does it hold to move higher? Now the volume clearly increased here. What is this doing? The MACD is curling up. This is kind of hovering right around in the same area. So this is a kind of a bear flag. So I would kind of want to watch this to see, is this able to hold? So when you look at what this has been doing, is we are coming back here, and when would I want to go short? I would want to go short now, not at a fail of the level, but a fail of the actual trend line. And if you fail the trend line, then again, I think we'll have more weakness to the downside. So it was a fast trade, really quick, but the reason I liked it is it was a solid level. It held, it rejected, it broke. We came back down, we retested, we failed lower. And once we failed on this wick to push down is when I jumped into the puts before we got to VWAP. We broke VWAP on momentum, increased volume, so volume is increasing, and then I got out when the next candle started to reverse higher. So hopefully that helps, and feel free to keep asking questions in the Discord. I do love it. You will note, though, that I am going to start to get frustrated in that I want you guys to learn not only the principles, but the fundamentals. And that's all you need to do. Watch the levels. Wait for the levels. Wait for the strategy to play out, then get into a trade. So I know I make this sound really simple, but you just have to trust and find your strategy. So with that, have an amazing Taco Tuesday, and we will all talk soon. Take care.